You're outside with the Moors at Bastrop State Park. So we're at Bastrop State Park having a little picnic here. It's a very nice park. Got a playground, plenty of places to have your picnic. There's a swimming pool. And then there's areas where you can put your tent up and camp for the evening. So yeah, we decided to stop here for my road trip.
Lily's eating her sandwich, and you can see the sun setting down behind us. It's a very beautiful place to have our picnic. This is the Deer Run campsite near the front of the park. You can see the bathrooms right next to the playground. So this is a perfect place to come camping with a family, with kids. There's the cabins. Here's the swimming pool area. Lots of little picnic spots. Place to go swimming. And here's our little camp, or our picnic area. And there's the sun setting behind us.
Hey guys, we're outside with the Moors, and today we're at Bastrop
State Park.
And today I'm going on a trail. It's Pine Warbler trip, and it's really nice here. It has pine trees. It's so pretty. But recently it had a big fire, and then again it had a fire, so just wanted to let you know. So yep, I'm going on the trail. Bye!
Lily and I came on a little hike down the Pine Warbler Trail, and you can see where some of the tree stumps were on fire and burned out, and you can also see where some of the older ones from the previous fire haven't grown back either. But then you have these other ones that are these small little pine trees trying to regrow. These are the cabins. After lunch, we drove up to the Scenic Overlook. It was a very windy day up top, but the views of Central Texas were amazing. We could see the vast expanse of the hill country down below us. Hi, we're outside with the Moors, and today we stopped at Bastrop State Park. In case you didn't know, there was a fire here a few weeks ago, and it destroyed some of the park. Bastrop State Park is home to the Lost Pines. The Lost Pines are a unique ecosystem unlike anything else in Central Texas. This cluster of pine trees are more than 100 miles away from any other pine trees and have been growing in this area for over 18,000 years. I have very fond memories of camping at Bastrop State Park as a kid with my campfire troop. We visited Bastrop State Park 1 month after the Rolling Pines fire to survey the damage. This fire took place in mid-January. The 2022 Rolling Pines fire damaged 812 acres before it was finally contained 1 week after it started. You can still see the charred remains of the magnificent pine trees and the blackened, scorched earth. Bastrop State Park has been devastated by fires previously. The catastrophic 2011 Bastrop County Complex fire destroyed 96% of the park, burning more than 34,000 acres of land. The fire raged on for 36 days. The damage caused by this fire was staggering. Sadly, the park was also ravaged again in 2015 by the Hidden Pines Fire that burned almost 5,000 acres, losing 143,000 trees. This fire burned for 2 weeks. Conservationists have worked tirelessly to rebuild this unique ecosystem that is habitat for many wildlife species. The average height of these magnificent pines is between 50 to 80 feet, but they can exceed up to 100 feet. They can also live for 150 years or more. The loblolly pine trees grow at the rate of 2 feet per year and reach maturity around 25 years. It's sad to see the damage suffered from each fire, but it's also inspiring to see the resilience of nature. We were overjoyed to see the trees growing back once again, despite the tremendous loss caused by the fires.